channel. Happy Diwali and San Mubarak to everyone who's celebrating this year. For Diwali 2020 I've created this makeup look and I'm in love with how this turned out to be. Those who are new here, it's been 2 years that I'm living away from my family here in Sydney, and as Diwali is approaching I'm really missing them a lot actually. If you want to see how I created this makeup look, then let's get started. Starting over with foundation, I'm taking Huda Beauty Faux Filter Foundation and dotting it all over my face and neck area. Then I'm taking a damp beauty blender and blending it all out. Take your time, blend evenly, because if the base is good, the makeup turns out to be good. Do not forget to blend the foundation on your neck. Make sure that your face and neck matches evenly. For concealer, I'm using Tarte concealer under my eyes and for the areas of my face. To blend out my concealer, I'm using this brush from Morphe. And this is me doing my happy dance while doing my makeup. For me personally, blending it with a brush turned out to be more beautiful than with a beauty blender. I'm in love with this foundation. It gives this flawless finish to your skin, and combined with this concealer, it's magical. Going on with my beauty blender once again, just to make sure everything is blended and looks pretty nice. For setting my whole face, I'm using this setting powder from Mercier. This is the best setting powder I've ever used. It doesn't look cakey on your face whatsoever. For my eyes, I'm taking this maroon shade and building it on my crease. I've zoomed you guys in a little bit so that you can see clearly what's going on. I'm just going to take my time and build this color on my lids. Next, I'm taking this shimmery maroon shade from James Charles palette and placing it on my lids. Next, I'm going to apply some golden eyeshadow in the inner corner of my eyes. Taking the same maroon shade, I'm going to apply it on my lower lash line and blend it out. So I applied some falsies and eyeliner off the camera. To give a nice rosy pink hint to my cheeks, I'm using this blush from my Glamm and applying it on my cheekbones. Now comes my favorite part, that is a highlighter, and I'm applying this highlighter from my Glamm on the high points of my face. So for lips, I wanted to keep it pretty basic and light because I have a lot going on my eyelids. To match it out, I'm using this pink nudish lipstick from NYX. Hi guys, so that is it for this video. If you like this video, do not forget to like, share and subscribe, and see you soon. Bye.